probably have to pull over and slow down, because I can almost guarantee you that Mustang's exhaust and the VW are going to drown this one out. Definitely hear it a little bit when you're lugging the engine. Considering the dynamics of the cabin of the S2000 with the top up and how loud it normally is, that is not drone in my book. That's very tolerable. And honestly, if I didn't hear any of it, I kind of would have felt like I wasted my money. Because, I mean, to not hear the exhaust, then what was the point? You know, I should have kept it stock. Okay, cruising speed, 75. Nothing. If you're just maintaining, there's absolutely no drone. Put a little load on, you could hear some, but if you're just cruising, nothing. Let's do 80. Cruising along, about 80 now, nothing. Nothing. A little tap. Hear the response, still no drone. Totally silent, tolerable. Could sit here and talk about life, religion, politics, anal bleaching, I mean, whatever you're into. Absolutely no problem. I don't have to shout, I can think. If I had my mana playing, I could hear that. It's the perfect exhaust. It makes noise when you want it to make noise, and that's it. Crack the window when I go under the overpass. I'll do the turnaround so you can hear it under the bridge. Obviously only my window, because that's going to be oral pleasure, and not the kind of oral pleasure you normally have to pay for either. Most obvious around 2500, I'd say. I mean, if you don't like the sound of race core, then maybe nothing, but this sounds amazing to me. that AC. Guess you'll get to hear every possible scenario of the exhaust. In my opinion, very bearable, very awesome. I'm sure my wife would disagree because it's not totally silent, but I absolutely love it. Having had the Q300 last time, it's night and day. There's absolutely no, I mean, there might be a little too much volume for some people, but there's no part in the range of the RPMs in any gear that makes me cringe or makes me feel like I wasted my money. So, hope you guys like it. Bye.